Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fingerprint not working on your Android phone. So let's say you have a Fingerprint set up and you can't get it to work or it doesn't work. You want to follow these steps here to do it. First thing, you may need to just enter your PIN to get back in. And once you're back in, a couple things you want to make sure is, first thing is that Fingerprint is not dirty. So what you want to take is a microfiber cloth, just simply wipe it down, make sure it's dry as well and clean. Sometimes if there's dust, dirt, lint, and you're trying to use a fingerprint, it's not going to read it properly. Additionally, if you put in a new screen protector or a case that could be blocking it, or if you have a screen protector that's been damaged, it may interfere with the touch. So you may want to remove that or consider different options as well. But you want to make sure there's nothing obstructing that fingerprint itself. So once you have verified those things, the next thing you want to do is check out the settings for the fingerprint. So you're going to start by going into your setting, and then from your setting, you're going to go to lock screen and AOD. From lock screen and AOD, you're going to tap on lock screen, and then enter your passcode or PIN to get in. And then we're going to take a look at the different options here for biometric. We can see here, if I tap on it, I have a fingerprint. You're going to verify that your fingerprint, if you're looking to unlock it, it is on. Sometimes if you turn it off, you're not going to be able to use it. So you're going to either turn it on or turn on and off as well. And then go ahead and try. Additionally, you can just simply delete the current fingerprint. So if you have one, just click on remove. And then after that, you want to just go ahead and add the fingerprint again. Sometimes it helps, especially if your finger position change or shape change, it could happen. That's a good way to reset it as well. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and restart your phone. You can just pull down from the top on the power icon to restart, or the volume down and the side button at the same time like this to restart it as well. Now, once you restart your phone, the next thing you're going to do is go into your setting. And from the main settings here, look for software update and check if there's an update, just to make sure a new update, previous update didn't break anything. So go ahead and update your phone to the latest version. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is from your setting, go to general management and then click on reset. And then you want to basically reset all settings. This is the last step to do, which will reset all the settings themselves. It will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.